All right, man, we're gonna be throwing out that buzz bait from Flipping Fish. Beautiful buzz bait with the red and white skirt. Put a nice trailer on it. As I was coming down here, a fish jumped out right off the bank here. Another one jumped off over there. Something just jumped off over here by this bank. So we're gonna try to cast over there, top water. We'll see if it's some bass. First cast of the day. Oh, we're on. We're on. We're on. Get your bass up here. Whew. First one on that buzz bait, that Flipping Fish buzz bait. First one of the day on that Flipping Fish buzz bait. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Come on, let's see that dive, buddy. Let's get that other one, man. I scared something bigger back there, though. When I first casted it, I scared something bigger back there. All right, you guys, we tied on a spinner bait, that Booyah spinner bait. Usually I throw a double Colorado, but this time we're throwing a Colorado and Willow spinner bait. We're gonna pair it, put a trailer on here. We're gonna be using this jointed swim bait from Flippin' Fish. Let's get up in here, man. Right there. Just like that. It's a tiny bit stained here, so we can maybe get away with this color here. Let's see. Dang, I was snagged. That's a snag. All right. Here we go. We're gonna pair this beautiful jig here. Beautiful jig from Flipping Fish, hand-tied skirt, handmade. And I love the hooks on these things, man. They're really sticky, really sharp, man. Beautiful. We're gonna pair it with this finesse crotch. Perfect, just like that. Just like that. It's beautiful right there. Found me a pretty cool spot here at the river. There's a nice log right here. About to flip my jig in there. See if we can find something. Oh, there's a nice spotty right there. Beautiful spotty, beautiful spotty.